Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Everyone, I hope you all are doing well. I'm also fine by the grace of Allah. Today, I'd like to speak about the importance of paying the workers their works promptly. My beloved brothers and sisters, Islam is a religion of justice, mercy, and honesty. It teaches us to respect the rights of every human being, including workers. Our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Give the worker his wages before his sweat dries." My beloved brothers and sisters, this beautiful hadith teaches us that when a worker completes his duty, he should be paid without unnecessary delay because he spent his time, energy, and effort to earn a lawful living. So he deserved to receive his rightful wages promptly. Unfortunately, in today's society, we see the opposite. Many workers have to wait for their wages. My beloved brothers and sisters, some employers keep delaying their wages for a month. They tell them, come tomorrow, come after a week, come even after a month. As a result, they keep coming back again and again just to receive their rightful wages. My beloved brothers and sisters, this is not the teaching of Islam. Delaying workers' wages without valid reason is a form of injustice. It causes financial hardship, stress, and emotional pain, not only to him but also his family. My beloved brothers and sisters, as Muslims, we should never make them suffer by delaying their wages, but we should follow the teaching of our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and pay their wages fairly, respectfully, and on time. Let us remember that Allah loves the people who are just and trustworthy. If we fulfill the rights of others, Allah will bless our wealth and our lives. May Allah help us to respect the right of every human being, every worker, and follow the example of our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Ameen.